Hi guys! Welcome to Creative Mind channel with another tutorial. Today I'll show you how to create this beautiful trending AI images for free. First of all, open your browser, then search Bing AI. Now open this site. If you open this site first time, so log in with your Microsoft account. Now this tab appears. Now add your prompt. Now click on Create. It will take few seconds. And here we go. Now let's try another prompt. And here we go. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.